Greetings from National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. Dear friends, congratulations on your success in JEE this year. I wish to invite you to be part of the heritage called NIT Trichy. Here we dream of a stronger India. The 56-year-old institute is the top 9th engineering institution in India and the best among all the NITs for the 5th year in a row. NIT Trichy is today a brand to reckon with. We have a flexible curriculum and we are moving towards a multi-university as part of our strategic plan, having signed MOUs with top industries and institutes around the world. We are part of the National Supercomputing Mission, ISRO Space Technology Innovation Center, NRDC Patent Facilitation Center, and Prime Minister's Research Fellowship, to name a few initiatives. With a rich alumni base of over 40,000 who adorn top positions in industry and academia and entrepreneurs world, our hallmark is all-round grooming of our students. The students have cultivated the can-do spirit and are in the habit of winning. We already have 22% girl students in the campus and expect more young girls to join us this year. Welcome. Special facilities await you at Opal, the secured girls' hostel complex in the campus with all modern amenities including a modern gym. We have started a mentoring initiative for the girl students by our women alumni who are in top positions in industry and academia. So I invite you, please come, be part of our dream. Here we dream so that the future is what we have seen on our drawing boards today. Welcome to NIT Trichy. Thank you.
I am Dr. R. Manjula, Associate in Opal, and including me, we have 4 wardens in Opal and Beryl Hostel to take care of girl students. Opal provides safest and comfortable accommodation with the help of institute and hostel administration. Opal Hostel is housed in one campus in which there are 5 blocks such as A, B, C, D and E for BTech, MTech, MSc, MBA and MCA and PhD students. There is a separate hostel for PhD students and the seating capacity of entire Opal is approximately 1300. For first year, girls will be given accommodation in Opal C hostel for BTech students, and in subsequently they will be moved to Opal D, and in final year they will be getting single accommodation in Opal E block. Opal A provides all essential and necessary amenities required for the girl students, and they have provided with 24/7 LAN cable connection, Wi-Fi connection, indoor sports facilities and gym facility exclusively for girls in the Opal itself, RO drinking water for all the blocks, and other student amenities such as Xerox shop, cycle shop, laundry shop, washing machines and bakery shop and night canteens. And we have wardens monitor the girl students with the help of hostel assistant managers and RSCs. There is a roll call for girls at 9 p.m. on all days and 9:30 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. We have 24/7 security services in Opal itself, and Opal has a beautiful garden space in all the blocks. I am sure that Opal is a clean, green, beautiful, enjoyable, safe and secure hostel for the students in the college life. Welcome to Opal.
We at NIT Trichy firmly believe in mentoring the girl student community and producing well-rounded personalities who excel at every step of the way in their lives. We have over 50 plus student clubs, fostering skills from technical expertise, social services to cultural talents. Our sports teams have led us to victory at various competitions across the country. Pragyan, the student-run techno-managerial festival, and Festember, the annual cultural extravaganza of NIT Trichy, invite national and international audience every year. These are a few of the things as students we take pride in, and needless to say, girl students are an integral part of each of these activities. Every year on the International Women's Day, We showcase the success and works of the NITT women in the technology industry, providing a platform to celebrate their talents and spotlight the role models that we have in our campus. We also believe girl representation is key in the Students' Council, where positions from secretaries to the vice president is reserved for girls, and they are molded into strong leaders who represent the entire student body. Most importantly, we as the girl student community work on building a home away from home for each and every one of us. Awaiting you at NIT Trichy. Thank you.